Hello! So recently we visited the famous and luxurious Taj Mahal Palace Hotel in Mumbai and we would like to show you the room tour. While you have a look at the room tour, I'll share some details about the hotel. The hotel hosted a grand ball for its opening, and since then it has been the venue for numerous significant social and political events. In addition to this, notable guests have included the likes of John Lennon, Jacqueline Kennedy Onassis, the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge. It has also been a favorite for international business leaders and Hollywood celebrities. Regarding the culinary excellence, each restaurant at the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel offers seasonal menus that reflect the fresh ingredients and contemporary culinary trends. The hotel also offers cooking classes and culinary experiences where guests can learn to cook traditional Indian dishes under the guidance of the master chefs. For a more intimate dining experience, guests can book private dining rooms with personalized service and menus tailored to their preferences. Regarding the art and decor, the hotel features a collection of rare artifacts and antiques, including a 200-year-old piano and Bengal chandeliers. The hotel regularly hosts art exhibitions and cultural events showcasing the works of renowned artists and emerging talent. Each floor of the hotel has a unique theme with meticulously chosen decor to reflect different aspects of Indian and international art and culture. The exclusive experiences are not less. The hotel offers the guided tours that explore its history, architecture, and notable events. Guests can learn about the stories and legends associated with the Taj. Let's know about the philanthropic efforts. The hotel is involved in various philanthropic activities, including supporting local schools, hospitals, and community centers. It also runs programs to empower underprivileged communities. The Taj Mahal Palace is committed to sustainability with initiatives like rainwater harvesting, solar energy usage, waste management, and the reduction of plastic use. The hotel also prioritizes sourcing locally grown and organic ingredients for the restaurants. My favorite feature of the hotel was its outdoor pool, which is set in a serene garden, providing a tranquil escape from the bustling city. Poolside services include refreshments, snacks, and private cabanas. The Taj Club Lounge offers exclusive services for guests staying in club level rooms and suites, including private check in, complimentary breakfast, evening cocktails, and dedicated services. The hotel frequently hosts cultural events such as traditional dance performances, music concerts, and art workshops, providing guests with an immersive cultural experience. The hotel offers rooms designed to be accessible for guests with disabilities, including features like wide doorways, roll-in showers, and visual alarms. Key public areas are wheelchair accessible, and the hotel staff is trained to assist guests with special needs. The hotel is technologically modern and has lot of amenities, like post-renovations included state-of-the-art security measures such as surveillance systems, secure access points, and trained security personnel. Modern rooms feature smart technology, including digital rooms for lighting, climate, and entertainment systems. Guests can also access services and information through in-room tablets. The hotel offers comprehensive business services, including video conferencing facilities, secretarial services, and a 24-hour business center equipped with the latest technology. And now comes one of my favorite parts: the environmental and the cultural initiatives taken by the hotel. The hotel has received green certifications for its efforts in sustainability and environmentally friendly practices. The hotel also actively supports initiatives aimed at preserving and promoting India's cultural heritage, including partnerships with local artisans and cultural foundations. The Taj Mahal Palace Hotel promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you enchanted. And thus, in conclusion, the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel in Mumbai is a symbol of rich history, luxurious comfort, and modern innovation. It sets the standard for hospitality worldwide. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Thank you. Have a nice day.